All right, today we're jumping right into the world of virtual prepaid cards. We're going to do a complete beginner's walkthrough of the CardUpNow platform. So if you've ever wanted a safer, more flexible way to pay for things online, you're in the right place. We are going to cover everything from start to finish. Let's get to it.
So, first things first, what even is a virtual prepaid card? Well, think of it like your regular debit card, but it only exists on your screen. You get a card number, a CVV, an expiration date, all the usual stuff. But here's the magic. You can use it for all your online shopping without ever giving out your real bank details. It's a fantastic layer of security for your money.
And the best part? The whole setup process takes, just a few minutes. Seriously. So the only real question is, are you ready to get yours? Let's break down exactly how you do it. Here's a quick look at what we're covering. First, we'll get your account set up. Then we'll talk about funding your wallet. After that, the fun part, creating your first virtual card. Then we'll dive into managing your finances on the dashboard, and we'll wrap up with how to get help if you ever need it. Simple as that. Okay, let's kick things off with Section 1, Getting Started. The absolute first step is to create your account. This is going to give you access to your personal dashboard, which is basically your command center for everything you'll do on CardUpNow.
Creating your account is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Seriously, just head over to cardupnow.com, hit that sign up button, and you can either fill out the form or, and this is my favorite, just use the one-click Google sign in. You'll be inside your dashboard in less than a minute.
And yeah, logging back in is just as easy. You can go the traditional route with your email and password, or just hit Continue with Google for that super fast, seamless access. It's all about making it quick and painless for you.
All right, so your account is all set up. Now it's time to add some juice. Your wallet is kind of like the engine that powers your virtual cards, so let's walk through exactly how to load it up with funds.
Once you're logged into your dashboard, just look for the Deposit section. It's really easy to find. This is your starting point for adding money, and from there, you can get your wallet topped up and ready to go. Now this is where CardUpNow is a little different, and I think it's pretty cool. The platform is built for the modern internet, so it's all about using cryptocurrency to fund your account. You can use major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. This is a huge plus if you're an international user or just someone who really values the speed and privacy of crypto. Okay, your wallet is funded. Now it is time for the main event, creating your virtual cards. This is what it's all about, right? And the great thing is, you've got a few really powerful options to choose from. Let's take a closer look.
CardUpNow totally gets that one size does not fit all, and that's why they have 3 different types of cards. Each one is designed for different people, from someone who just shops online casually to businesses that are making tons of payments.
This little table breaks it down perfectly. So you've got your Visa and Mastercard, which are awesome for your everyday stuff. Online shopping, subscriptions, you name it. They just have a small one-time fee. But for the power users out there, the CardUp Elite card is a total game changer. If you top it up with $300, the card itself is free. And get this, you pay 0 fees on reloads or transactions. The key is just figuring out which card makes the most sense for how you're going to use it.
Okay, so you've created your cards. Now what? Let's talk about managing them. Your dashboard is where you get total control over everything, and it's all laid out in a super clean, easy-to-use way. The My Cards section is basically your home base for all your cards. You can pop in there to see every card you've made, check their balances in real time, and tweak their settings. It keeps everything neat and organized, all in one place. Ever wonder where your money is going? The Card Transactions log has your back. It gives you a complete, detailed history of every single payment you've made. This is absolutely essential for keeping an eye on your budget or just double-checking a purchase you made.
And hey, what if you need to take money out of your CardUpNow wallet? No problem. The withdraw function makes it super simple. It just gives you that extra flexibility so you know your money is never, ever locked in. Let's be real, nobody likes hidden fees, and that's why transparency is so important. The pricing and fees page gives you a full breakdown of any cost you might see. It's all laid out in plain English, so there are no surprises. You always know exactly what you're paying for. All right, and for our last section, let's talk about something really important. Support. Because no matter how easy a platform is to use, it's always good to know that someone's there to help if you need them.
So what happens if you run into a little snag or you just have a question you can't find the answer to? Well, CardUpNow makes it really easy to get in touch with their support team. As you can see, you've got plenty of ways to reach out. You can send them a detailed email, start a quick chat on WhatsApp, or hit them up on Telegram.
This kind of flexibility is great because you can just pick whatever method is easiest for you and get a quick response.
You know, this quote really nails it. The whole platform is built around those three ideas: making things simple, keeping them secure, and making them instant. It's all about giving you a tool for online payments that you can actually trust.
And that's it. That's our complete tour of CardUpNow. You now have literally everything you need to create and manage your own virtual cards safely and securely. So I guess there's only one question left. What's the first thing you're going to use your new card for?